sad. Another day. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Merry Christmas to me, baby.
Badass shit.
Nice ride. Nice ride. Nice car, man. Very cool. Dude. What is this? Is a V12. Oh, thank you. Oh. So this is the V12? Nice. Oh my goodness, man. Wow, that thing must be a beast. Yeah. Cool, man. Very cool. Twin turbo V12 Mercedes. Whew. That is a beast.
Oh shit. I gotta get over. Yeah, I think that Mercedes would kick my ass. Twin turbo V12. My goodness. Crazy.
You want to race to the white line? Okay.
I thought he was gonna do it, man.
I will tell you, I just bought a brand new Corvette.
Oh yeah?
Faster than this thing right there.
Oh dang.
This thing is a rocket. That Corvette, wipe it up.
Wow.
Yeah.
You got the Z06?
Yeah.
Oh dude.
Back with the big racing.
You got a Z06 and that V12 Mercedes. What is this? Little mini bike. Nice. And that's how you get around traffic. And there's the popo. Dude.